Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Amanda, and for today's video, it's kind of an impromptu unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. My husband actually brought this home tonight, and he got me a lot of accessories. I actually was in the market for a MacBook Pro the past week or so. There are so many options. And for a girl who doesn't know much about MacBooks in general and gigabytes and terabytes and all the technical parts, it was really hard to choose. And I just felt so overwhelmed and to say the least, overwhelmed to say the least. I actually reached out to Daniel's brother, so my brother-in-law, Brad Claypool, and he helped. And I want to give him a little shout out because he kind of helped pick the right one. He's very tech savvy, just all the things. So I want to give him a shout out. I linked all of his information down below so you guys can check him out. He's a wonderful photographer on top of everything else. So please feel free to check him out down below. But they ended up picking one out for me, and I am so grateful. Obviously I have no words. I wanted to do a little fun unboxing with you guys because I don't know, I was watching some MacBook unboxings and I thought it'd be kind of fun to do one. Also planning on setting it up, turning it on, all the things. I've never even used a MacBook before, so this might be kind of new. Actually, it will be new. Hopefully I can figure it out. I'm a little bit nervous, but I am very much excited. The one that he ended up getting me, and I don't have it, I don't know. I don't know anything about, I'm not good with technology, I'm not good with gigabytes, terabytes, I don't know. That's not my strong suit at all. But I'm learning, I'm slow to it, I'm learning it, it's good. The one that he ended up getting me was the MacBook Pro 13-inch laptop. It has the Intel Core i5, 16 gigabyte memory, 256 gigabyte solid state drive, and in the color Space Gray. I'm just super excited. He also got me some accessories, so I'm going to go into that next. So he got me this, my passport for Mac. It is 2 terabytes. It's a portable USB-C ready. Basically, it's a storage for all my videos, all the filming. He said that an Apple lady helped him pick this out. She said that this was very important to have. So, oh, and there's a little picture of it right there. You guys can kind of see what it does. So that's really cool. This will be very helpful. I think 16 gigabytes is kind of a good amount of storage, but to keep the computer running faster, I think this is kind of necessary. So that was really nice of him to get. He also got me the Hyper Plus drive, and that's what that is. These are very necessary for MacBooks, they say. I'm gonna say they say for a lot of this because I actually don't know. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I'm just a girl who likes fashion and wanted a MacBook, so we're going from there. Oh, there's also a really cool picture on the back here. This is really cool though. I have been watching other videos and I didn't know who's getting me any of these things, so the fact that he got me this because I really wanted this is amazing. He's quite amazing. Ladies, wait for someone that's perfect for you. Biggest tip in life. Okay, next he got me a little magic mouse. This will be good for editing because it'll be a little bit easier versus using the touchpad. So that's really cool. That was really thoughtful of him as well. This is also an Apple product, so, and it looks like it also matches the computer. Oh my gosh, he got it in Space Gray. My husband is not one to match things, so this is huge that he thought that deeply, and maybe he was the Apple person, but I mean still, the fact that he even got this for me is so nice and so thoughtful. I don't know how I got so lucky. And then he also got me a keyboard, and all the mouse and the keyboard are, I think you sync them with Bluetooth, which is really cool. And then he got me this really humongous keyboard, which will probably also help me with editing as well. So I'm just so overwhelmed with all this stuff. I don't even know what to do with all of it. I'm so grateful. And It's crazy. Okay, so now the part that you guys are all excited about, the part that you're here for, the unboxing. I'm gonna re-set up so you guys can actually see everything, better angle for you guys. So now that we are all set up, have all the goodies on my little bench, bench for my dining room. I'm not gonna, oh gosh, I'm not gonna bore you guys opening this. I feel like everyone has seen one of these. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Everyone has seen one of these. I'll show you guys where I put it on my MacBook once I get that opened. I feel like this is also in space gray, which is gonna match as well. He thinks of everything. And then same with this. I'll probably do another video showing you guys actually how I would use this, or like how I use it or what I use it for, those things when I start using it. But to keep everything together, I'm just gonna not open that. I kind of want to open this mouse though. So I'm just unboxing the mouse. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so nice. Can you see that? You can't see it because it like reflects my lights. It has like a little apple in the middle and it's just so sleek. I'm like dying right now because this is like the nicest thing that I've ever seen. And I haven't even opened the MacBook yet, but I'm like dying over this because how nice is this? Oh my gosh. It's called a Magic Mouse. This is, okay, it clicks up here. Okay, so this is the bottom of it. This is the top. And this is kind of like what this looks like. This is really nice. I'm gonna keep this in here. I wonder what else it comes with. Hopefully a how to use. Oh, you charge it. Do you charge it? It comes with a cord. I was under the impression that it was Bluetooth, but it might be. But you might be able to plug it in too. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do some reading. Oh wait, no. So you have to charge it because there's no way you could like plug it in, put it down, and like. Okay, gotcha. This is so cool, you guys. Fancy AF. Okay, now the keyboard. Oh, wow. Like how nice. Obviously there's still like, oh my gosh. Everything is so fancy. Okay, so I'm just taking, oh my gosh, and it matches my computer. It's like space gray. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. This is amazing. This is so nice. Okay. And I also like that it's kind of tilted a little bit. It has like that wedge shape, which is, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like that wedge shape that's like, makes it a little bit more easy to like type. Oh, this feels so expensive. It's a little easier to type. This feels so expensive and so nice. Okay, and this also comes with a charger and a book on how to use it, hopefully, because I'm gonna need some help. Probably not with the keyboard, but okay. I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna slice her open. I am using like a cuticle pusher, by the way, because I don't have scissors up here. I can't. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh, it's so thin. Okay, so this is crazy. This is so nice. All right, now I have to get my fingerprints on. My hands are like sweaty. My sweaty fingerprints all over this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's that, and then in here, obviously the charging cord. in the box to charge it. There better be some instructions in here. This book feels way too little to have instructions. It turned on. Is it supposed to do that? This is the most beautiful thing I've seen. Oh my gosh.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So now it's asking me to select my network. Okay, so I got my Wi-Fi down. I could not remember my password, like, to save my life. So I had to have my husband help me. So now it's asking if I would like to transfer information to my Mac, which I don't want to. So I am choosing the option, don't transfer any information now. And I'm going to send it with my Apple ID. And it just sent me a code. And I got it on my iPad, which is really cool. Because I use my phone to film, so it's really inconvenient trying to set something up if you need your phone. Okay. So I'm glad they're able to send it to that, because... Okay. So now we have this, just terms and condition. Agree. I have read and agree to the Mac OS software license agreement, Game Center terms and conditions. Okay, now it's asking me for a password. So there has my full name in it, my account name. And it's asking you for a hint, so you can like give yourself a hint. And then there's an option, allow my Apple ID to reset this password, and that's fine. Okay. And now it's setting up my iCloud. My account through iCloud, I guess. Would you like to use the iCloud keychain on this Mac? I don't know what that is. iCloud keychain keeps the passwords and credit. Oh, yes, please. I do not wish to enable Siri. I don't like when she talks to me. It creeps me out. Okay, now I'm going to set up my Touch ID. Cool, that was pretty quick. Ooh, Apple Pay. My favorite. So right now I'm just adding my cards to my MacBook. Does need to be on camera. Luckily, it's just taking my cards that I've already added in my wallet, and I'm just putting the security codes in there, so that's nice. Very handy. Okay. So right now it's asking me if I want to choose the dark look or the light look. I think I'll do light for now. I always have my brightness on, like, all of my electronics turned super low. I don't like the blue, like, tint hurting, like, the blue light from electronics hurts my eyes, so I will be turning down the brightness just because I like more of a darker screen. Okay, what's this? Oh, it has True Tone. Okay. So I like this a lot. So I like that. It's kind of bright in here, and I can tell that the screen has toned down, which I appreciate. So I like that. Okay, now it's setting up my MacBook. So in the meantime, what's your guys' favorite app for MacBooks? And what is it? To explain to me what you use it for down below in the comments. I want to like add as much cool things on here as possible. So any advice that you can give me would be awesome. Okay. What are all these things? Can you move these? I don't need maps on there. What if I like... Oh, I can remove things. Oh my gosh. So guys, I just learned something new. To remove something, all you have to do... What's this? Oh, reminders. I kind of want that. Notes, I want that. Calendar, I want that. Contacts, I don't really need that on there. So to remove something or change up your dock, you just push down on it, just like hold this for a second. Go up here to options. You guys can't even really see it. Go up here to options, and then you can remove from dock. Maybe go to performance, and I want to change my picture. Let's see. Displays, maybe? Maybe I go into my pictures and then I would like select my wallpaper through that way. I bet that's how you do it. Okay. See, I'm getting the hang of this. It's not as hard as I thought. I thought that I'd be like YouTubing how to do certain things, which I probably still will, but as far as like normal setup, it's actually kind of easy. As you guys can see, I have a lot of duplicates. Can you really get the best picture with just one picture? I don't think so. You need options. Oh. How do I view something? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my MacBook unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what apps you guys recommend me getting for this. Also, link down below your favorite cases for me. I'm super excited to get all the accessories and all the cute things and all the helpful fun apps and just like finding out more cool things about it. So any tips, tricks you guys have for me, that would be very grateful for that. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And for my normal videos, I do fashion and beauty and reviews and jewelry and all the great things. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And I post videos every Monday and almost every Tuesday. So subscribe for those. Like this video if it's one of your favorites. And thank you guys so much for watching again. And I'll catch you guys next week. Bye guys.